Oh yeah, guys, I'm live on YouTube now. Live on YouTube. Go check it out. Pop out chat. There it is. Got that going. Here we go. I want to see a bounce. We could see a double bottom here. So let's see if we can get a good entry here. Get 130 shares at 16. IHIO is going to move big today based on news alone. Let's look at what news came out. IHIO. News. Data at ESMO presentation. Phase 3 sleep. Okay. I like that. We're going to keep PHIO on the back burner watch list. Right now, my main focus is on OPAD. I want to see two candles on the 2-minute, decreasing volume on the pullback around 16, and I can risk 25 cents of 5.75. This would be the only trade of the day. I would be risking 1.5% for the potential to gain 10 or so. But it doesn't look like it wants to, but we have decreasing volume. So I want to see this kind of, I want to see the RSI. I want to see it come down to 16 with the RSI being above 29. Looks like we're breaking above with increasing volume. This closes with a smaller spread, then it's going to come down more. Which it looks like it's going to, that's what's going to happen. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3rd touch, looking for that double bottom, and then the 4th touch. And we have room back to VWAP. Once that happens, if we pull back to VWAP, if I can get a good entry, if I can snipe the entry, then I'm going to take half off the table and then let the rest ride back up to 17, maybe even 18 bucks before I take the rest out. Excuse me. Yep, there it is. There it is. I think we're seeing some. I want to see this kind of come down a little bit more, down to around 16.10 before I look for this. I think Josh is also looking at, oh nope, he's looking at IRNT, I believe. I don't like that on my watch list though, so I'm not keeping it there. I want to see very light volume. Right now, OP has a medium float. Today's volume is above the average volume, but not crazy for relative volume. Oh. I don't like this. I don't like this anymore. I mean, it's not really respecting the technicals. I'm looking for this head and shoulders pattern, but I'm not seeing this head and shoulders pattern that I want to see. The head and shoulders pattern is a bearish pattern, but I'm trying to play for the right shoulder. I didn't see the double bottom, so I'm not a fan. I want to see a double bottom, come back down and touch 16 before I actually continue to potentially enter this. If we break 1671, where this previous high is, if this closes like this, then we have, again, room back to 17, and then I think we could see all the way up to 755, 1755, if I can get snipe the entry. And I know you miss your dad, but I'm gone, not trying to give you the life that I never had. I can see you sad, even when you cry, even when you beg. Let's go ahead and look at other stocks. We have a downtrend on the play for TMC, looking for that break of the downtrend. Maybe I want to see it touch it, and then maybe a washout down to 1370 for the move higher. It doesn't really have news, so. Daddy don't want you to see, but you can see just much as he did. He did not plan it to be this way. Your mother. Right now, the top stock to watch is OPAD. We have more decreasing volume on the 5-minute, which is what we don't want to see. We have our neckline, we have the head, shoulders, head. So, I mean, it's not really head and shoulders in the 5-minute because we haven't seen that. But I do want to see a pullback down to 1625. Or lower, potentially. Thank you for the follow. Good morning, Loopy Guy. How are you doing? Oh, how are you doing today? Hopefully, yep, you can see my watch list. Cool, cool. Hopefully, we can make some money today. Yep, we're having this volume decrease. I want to see this kind of come even lower. Decreasing volume on the 5-minute. I want to see OPAD. I mean, honestly, if I can get a snipe an entry at 16, I might let it run. If it shows good signs of profit, let it run. Let the rest kind of look for a move higher. I mean, thank you for the follow. Bitches sit you there. Yeah. Put my shades on. I'll live it up like these are my last days. Doesn't look like we have decreasing volume to the upside here. So I think we're going to continue lower. Let's go and readjust this trend line. We have around 30 minutes left till market open. Right now we're just sitting on our hands waiting for a good proper setup. Right now OPAD is our top stock to watch. Might see a break. We want to see increasing volume here. Thanks for the likes. We have 100 likes. Let's go ahead and get to 500 likes. Thank you so much. 130. Awesome, awesome. Thank you guys. Let's keep pushing it. Let me know if you want me to look at any stocks for you. We're breaking above. Nice flag and break above. We're seeing increase in volume. ZM, let's look at ZM. We have a gap to fill at 330 bucks. Decreasing volume to the downside now. I want to see, might come lower. It did come lower. I don't want to see it break really 272. Breaks 272, we have room down to, yeah, if it breaks 272, we have room down to 237. 235. Yo, thank you guys for the likes. We're at 375. Let's get to that $500 like goal. Really, Zoom, I don't really have much. It's not telling me bullish or bearish. There's nothing screaming bullish. There's nothing screaming bearish. Yes, thank you for the likes. We're only 50 likes away. 40 likes away. 25. 15. There we go, 500. Hell yeah, awesome. Thank you guys. Next goal is 1,000. Zoom, yeah, there's nothing screaming bullish or bearish. Let me know if there's anything else I want to provide value to you guys. That's all I want to do. Same on YouTube. If you're on YouTube, all I want to do is provide value for you guys. So let me know how I can do that. $600 likes. Thank you. Thank you so much. There's the break. Increasing volume, smaller spread. That would be our first sign that we wanted to get out. And boom. There, it comes down. There's a pivot high. The first sign would have been, since we got that, you would have taken some off the table. Maybe look for another entry. What's your opinion on RIOT? RIOT, excuse me. We have our fourth touch on the downtrend. I don't want it. I think we're going to see some bullish movement over the next few days, but then I don't want to see it break below 28.67. I want to see a double bottom at the break of the downtrend, and if we do that, then we have room back up to 40 bucks. If we break 40, we have room back up to 50. For RIOT. Guys, we're at 800 likes. Let's try to get to 1,000. Let's get to 1,000. So, I mean, top stock to watch right now, in my opinion, is OPAD. O-P-A-T, or D, excuse me. LPTX could be flagging here. Let's go ahead and use a Fibonacci retracement tool and see where we can potentially go. I mean, I think we have room down to around 250. If we break 250, I'm not a huge fan, but I also want to see a double bottom and not break 244. TMC, just rip into the downside, which is okay. Thank you, no problem, no problem. Thank you for the likes. We're at 900. We have only 100 more to go. SPRT, SPIR is very choppy. IRNT, I think it's going to dump for the rest of the day. I'm moving that to the bottom of the watch list. INDP, you know, I'm not too sure. There's not much news. So, and PHIO, you know, I'm moving it up just because it does have news. Guys, we hit that $1,000 mark. Thank you so much. Next goal is 2,000. Next goal is 2,000. Let's make some money today. We run 30 minutes till the market open, just sitting on our hands, waiting for the best opportunity. And if we don't see a good opportunity in pre-market, we're not trading until 9:40. Yo, welcome to the live stream on YouTube. Where are you from? How are you a experienced trader? Do you want to learn about day trading? Let me know how I can provide some value to you. That's all I want to do here. BRB, yes, thank you for the likes. We're at 1.3 thousand. or 1.3K. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. BRB. Let's look. I'll look at IRNT in a sec. Sorry, I didn't see it. Okay, I do. Okay, for some reason it's not letting me see the volume, which is what I don't like. I'm gonna go, but we did pull back to that 61.8, 1.8, and respected it. Why isn't it showing me volume? That's very strange. I mean, that's very strange. So it's not, I mean, I don't like that I can't see the volume, but we are flagging ABC pattern potentially. Maybe bull flag with, we pull back right to that 61.8 fib level. So if we go ahead and do another 61.8 fib level, we have a price target of around 550 for BRB. And then we have IRNT. And honestly, I think we're going to dump today. I mean, it's just like IRNT, like it's a hype stock. Got a lot of hype for 2 days in a row. I think we're going to see a lot big sell-off, especially since we are sitting at like 44 bucks today. RIOT. As long as we don't break 2870, I'm bullish on it. If we break 2870, we're going to continue low. Thank you for the likes. We're at 1.8 thousand likes. Thank you so much. Let's get that $2,000 goal. And if I want to see a double bottom for RIOT, if we do see a double bottom and breaking the downtrend, we have room back up to 44, 50, and then 55. I don't want to see this. I see this head and shoulders pattern now. Increasing volume, smaller spread. I think we're going to continue to the downside now for OPAD. I want to see this back down to 15. Yo, we hit the $2,000 goal. Thank you so much. Now the next goal is 3,000. Let's try to get there. That'd be awesome. I don't think I've ever gotten 3,000 likes on a stream. You know what? The goal for this stream is 5,000 likes. That's gonna be the goal. 5,000 likes. That's a big goal. I think we can do it though. I think we can do it. Back. That's not a ticker. You're back. What's up, my man? If that's what you meant, awesome. 2.2 thousand likes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We have 2 viewers on YouTube. Thank you guys for stopping in. Let me know how I can provide any value to you guys. I mean, let's go ahead and sift through our watch list. Let's go ahead and actually cover our swing trading watch list. So, we have NIO. Whoa, did not mean to do that. NIO. Or we have AMD, that's what we're looking at right now. You know, I'm going to actually go over to my normal charts for this, unless I see a very good setup. So, really, there's not much here that's telling me bullish or bearish, so I'm just going to move on. AMC, nothing crazy. Again, I'm just looking at the couple candles for potential short-term swing. Crowd, we could see a break in the downtrend. We'll see what happens today. And then we might have room up to 270. NVIDIA, nothing crazy. SQ, again, nothing crazy. We bounced. I was able to catch a call in this supply zone and sell at yesterday's high for a $700 gain, which is really nice. SE, it's decreasing volume to the upside. I think we'll find resistance at 334 or 343. APEC, or not APEC, American Express, nothing right now. BNB, nothing right now. Coin, nothing right now. Facebook, nothing right now. We have increasing volume. I do like to see that. Not too much of a hammer candle. If we closed more to the upside, that would have been better. And yeah, again, so right now nothing on our swing trading is actually popping out. I'll look back at it at the end of the day today. Right, it's your biggest holding. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We want to see it kind of rip to the upside. We have a head and shoulders pattern on OPAD, so I do expect it to continue lower. So Josh thinks INDP can rip to the upside today. That's not the other hype stock. We have yesterday we gave everything back with increasing volume, so I don't expect it honestly to continue higher. I mean, that's just how it is. We do a measurement from the high to the neckline. I mean, this head and shoulders is telling us that it's going to come down to 13.17 for OPAD, which could easily happen. Want to see it down? If we see it down to 13, then you could catch the move for the room higher. Popping burgers, I made it a habit. Taunting them bitches and serving with addicts. That was excited to me. I'm so excited to be. Started with nothing, we had to inspire to be. I'm getting to it. Feel like the man. I got the plan. I got the shooters, they hop at the van. Downtrend on the play on PHIO. Don't have any support and resistance drawn yet, so. So if we break over 250 again and hold, we have room up to 280, maybe even higher. We're at 2.5 thousand likes. Thank you guys so much on the TikTok stream. I think make some money. And oh, we got 3 viewers on YouTube. Thank you so much. This is the most I've had on YouTube. If I can provide value to in any way, let me know. Let me know. Let me know where you're from, how experienced you are in trading, and hopefully I can help you. Trying to learn. What, I mean, come on YouTube, you can see my screen, see what I'm talking about. Links in bio. And that's probably the best way you're going to learn besides me commentating over it. You'll actually be able to like see what I'm talking about. You see 1743 on our net. If we see a big buy at 1743, then look for a move lower, 1741. We'll see. I think we're going to see a double top here. Pivot high. On the minute, we don't want to see it. If we see it crack, we're going to continue higher, and the head and shoulders pattern could still be at play. But, I mean, we'll see. PMCB. What do you think of these? BBIG, I think there was, it was just hype, but I don't know anything fundamental. AEI, I'm not too sure. Wish, I think has good long term. MMAT, I think has good long term, and I'm not too sure about the rest of the stocks. I'm not much of a long term investor in stocks. There's barely any time that I'm investing in stocks nowadays. I mean, I usually invest in crypto. No school today? Yes, sir. That's what I like to hear. That's what I like to hear. Want to trade with me and see my screen? Come over to YouTube. I think you can see some. You'll be able to trade with me, which is awesome. So hyped to trade? Yes, sir. I am also as well. Excuse me. Excuse me. You're a crypto guy. No, I mean, I'm a day trader and I invest in crypto. So I like HBAR, XRP, VeChain, Matic, ADA, Link, XLM, Band Protocol, ICP, Quant. So those are really the only coins that I'm looking at. You happen to know why is taking a little jump? Let's look. NVCN. No, I'm not too sure. Let's look at the news. FDA approval. Woo-hoo-hoo! This is great news. I'm adding this to the watch list. This is huge. This is huge. NVCN. This is a good company to watch. Especially since we got that big pop. Up 20%. Actually, we're up around 14% since close. So I'm adding that to the watch list. And we have ALGO. Algo. It says we can't find this symbol. Not too sure. You just got your 15th share of Apple? Yeah, that's what I like to hear. Let's go ahead and look at Apple and see where it can go. We're having a small pullback for Apple. Right now, there's nothing screaming to me that it's going to reverse. But, you know, I want to see a nice double bottom. As long as we don't break below 146, but if we break above 140, 150, or 149, 150, then I'm actually bullish on Apple because of a pivot low. It's Algorand. Let me look at the ticker, because for some reason it's not my trading platform isn't popping it. Algorand stock. Algo. I'm not too sure why. Yeah, it says I can't find this ticker for some reason. That's strange. That's strange. Guys, we're at 2,500 likes. Let's try to get to 3,000. Let's get to 3,000. TikTok also pushes the stream more, so I really appreciate it. Just open a Robinhood account. I'm going to mess around in here. Not too sure if that's smart, but oh well. Depends. If you're looking at day trade, then Robinhood's not the best because you're going to get terrible fills. But if you're just swing trading, investing, Robinhood's fine. If you're looking to trade more, often if you're trading more than you're swing trading and investing, if you're day trading really, I would suggest TD Ameritrade's Think or Swim trading platform. I really like Robinhood for swing trading stuff because the interface is awesome. I mean, I would much rather do it on TD Ameritrade just because I know the platform and I know it's just better. It's just better overall, so I don't know why I wouldn't use this. But if you don't want to put in the time to actually learn Thinkorswim, then Robinhood's a good option. Especially if you're, I mean, you're gonna have to do your charting elsewhere. But because on Thinkorswim, I can just do my charting and buy it right here. But with Robinhood, you're gonna have to move over to Robinhood, and I wouldn't have a lot of money in Robinhood. It's just not something that I would do. I use Fidelity normally. Yeah, I also have a Fidelity account. So I like Fidelity as well. They have fees though, where TD Ameritrade does not. Let's go and copy this. Approval of core. Lost connection. PMCB. IRNT, I'm removing that from the watch list. SPIR, removing from the watch list. INDP, I'm keeping. PHIO. I like the downtrend play, but it's a little bit too cheap for me. Just kind of cleaning up my watch list now. I would also agree. Well, if we break over 588 or 408, we have room to 588. So guys, we have 5 minutes left till market open. Let's get hype. Let's go. Let's get this going. Let's get a good song on. You know my. Again, if you're still on YouTube, thank you guys so much. Let me know if I can help you guys in any way. If there's a stock that you want me to look at, if anything. LKCO. Why is this moving? Corporation agreement with Microsoft. So that has good news. Now, where could this possibly go? 168. I don't like that. That is not something that I like. Let's go ahead and add another quick chart. Let's see if I can add one. Let's go ahead and switch gadget. Quick chart. Here we go. Then let's go ahead and adjust my NASDAQ level 2. Sorry, I'm just detach. At our 5 minute. Can you still how's my can you still see my watch list? You can. Perfect. Let's go ahead and adjust this. Shit, can't do this. I gotta adjust this. Yep, so we got our daily chart up and our 5 minute chart up. Looking up I'm confused in what you're trying to say. Loading, yep. Might see a washout long on LPTX. Oh, it's a Jewish holiday. Well, I hope you have a wonderful holiday. I hope you make some money today. TMC, dumping, INDP. Nope. 10 seconds. Here we go. Market's open. Here we go. Everything's dumping. OPAD is dumping. If we see a washout down to 16, that's when I would go. That's when I would jump in with 130 shares. Only if we come down to 16 bucks. I mean, it's a long shot, but you know, if we come down to 16 to the double bottom, I would risk 20 cents. Excuse me. Might see a nice red to green move. Excuse me. Really choppy. TMC, maybe a red to green move. RSI sitting at 25. INDP's ripping to the upside. Oh, there we go. We won't dump into the downside. We didn't make a new low. Don't want to catch a falling knife here. I want to see a kind of consolidation pattern. I don't want to see it break below 588. I'm moving you guys over. There we go. INDP. Yep, didn't make that. I want to see very high volume on this hammer candle if we want to jump in on this move. If we see high volume on this hammer candle, we could see a red to green move with room back to 18 and then 19. LPTX is kind of dying off, it looks like. If it breaks this low, let's see what we have. We have big buyer. If he starts to get taken out, that's not good. Looks like he did, and we broke. How much you gonna make? We'll see. I'm not too sure. TMC dying off. OPAD. Maybe it looks like it's kind of losing steam. We might see might be able to catch a dollar move here. Not a fan of that. I mean, a dollar move would be awesome, but I want to see it bounce off 15. If we bounce off 15, I mean, we've room back up to 16. I mean, INDP is kind of really choppy. NVCN, kind of choppy. Nothing's really screaming by me right now, so. INBC is one that I want to keep on watch. Or BMCB. Want to see a double bottom. Want to see it flag. Want to see it to start to flag here. Decreasing volume on the pullback. Want to see a double bottom around 1250. If we see a double bottom around 1250 or 1260, 1275 actually. And go with 160 shares. Not looking. I'm not a fan of it right now. It's not really respecting the downtrend. See what happens. IRNT. I'm in? Oh shit. It was a fake halt. That's not what I want to see though. It was stack and try to jump in for the halt. Did not move. Fuck! Yeah, I'm done. Sorry. Fuck. Fuck, guys. That's why you don't anticipate. That is exactly why you don't anticipate. I anticipated trade. That was a shitty thing to do on my part. Looking at OPAD. Looking at anything else. Like, guys, it's okay. That sucks. I'm done trading for the day. Small account challenge. I mean, fuck.